Manual registration on an ANTlabs gateway is typically required in situations where automatic registration may not work, or when additional configuration is needed. Here's a general guide on how to manually register a device on an ANTlabs gateway, such as IG4 SG4 or SG5. Note: you'll need access to the ANTlabs Gateways web interface and administrative credentials. The specific steps may vary depending on your gateway model and firmware version. Log in as admin. Log in using the administrator username and password for the ANTlabs Gateway. Navigate to manual registration. Once logged in, 1. Click Reports/Monitors/Device. You can verify if the device is registered or not under Internet access. Start manual registration. 2. Click New Search. Type device MAC address and click Apply. Click Login. Select the plan. Click Login button to apply changes. Enter device information. Once the registration is complete, the device should be allowed to connect to the network according to the registration settings you specified. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.